Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome in this online session. Dear student, this is the second part of this lesson which we are starting. The first part is uploaded on our channel. For your better understanding, you can see this part. Even I will make another part also of this lesson. The name of the lesson is the 12 months. Yes, see, for your revision, I will tell how much we have finished. This first page and this second page we have finished in the first video. Now we shall start with the second part of this lesson. Yes, are you ready? Now here we have understood, see, the March has taken the charge of this club, and March, in the March, you know that all the violets comes. So the violets are there and she is thinking violets are on the grounds are look like a blue cloth is spread on the ground. Now pick them quickly, Marukala, commanded March. March is there and what March has commanded? Okay, now pick them quickly, Marukala. Marukala picked them joyfully till she had a big bunch. And see, Marukala, she has picked all these flowers and she was very much happy. She made a big bunch of these violets. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scampered merrily home. She has said thank you to all the months and she has went to her home. Now Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Marukala bringing the violets. They opened the door to her, and the scent of violets filled all the cottage. See, this Helena, Marukala, and the stepmother, they used to live in the cottage. And when she brought all the violets, all the cottage was full of this fragrance of the violets. Yes, even these two, Helena and stepmother, they were surprised, they were wonder how she brought violets to the cottage. Where did you get them? Asked Helena sulkily. With surprise, Helena asked, where did you get these violets? She is telling, they are growing under the bushes in a forest on the high mountains. See, she told, on the high mountains these flowers are growing under the bushes. Helena snatched all the flowers and did not give even a single one to her sister. And all the flowers were brought by Marukala and this Helena. She grabbed all the flowers from her and even she has not given any single flower to her sister Marukala. The next day she called to her sister and said, go Marukala and get me some strawberries from the forest. See, first she has told to bring some violets. Now she is telling because this mother and this sister they didn't want Marukala at their home, so they were teasing her. They were making her to leave their home. So next day what she told to bring some strawberries for her from the forest. Alas, dear sister, where could I find any strawberries in this hard winter? Said Marukala. And Marukala said, dear sister, this is very much cold. Hard winter is there, and in winter there is no strawberries. From where will I get the strawberries? How dare you argue? Go at once and get me the strawberries, or I will kill you. Now again the same thing was happened with Marukala, and she told, see how dare you to argue with me? Go in the forest and bring some strawberries for me, and if you don't, I will kill you. The stepmother caught hold of Marukala and pushed her out of the door and shut it after her. And stepmother, she caught her, she pulled her up to door and she rushed her out of the door and shut the door after her. Morukala went to the forest weeping bitterly. Even now also she weeping bitterly. She was trembling with the cold. She was feeling very much cold. The snow was lying deep and there wasn't a human print. See footprint. And there was a deep snow. There was too much cold. Even there was no any human footprint was there. See. She wandered about for a long time, turned by hunger and trembling with cold. And even now, the same situation had happened with her. She was feeling very much cold, she was trembling with the cold, and even she was very much hungry. At last, she saw the light she had seen the other day. Even before how she has seen the light, she has seen the light same again today. Overjoyed, she went towards it. She came to the great fire with the 12 months sitting around it. See, even how she went to these 12 months, 12 people like that she made to them and she went to them. Please, kind sir, let me warm my hands at the fire. And again she has requested to them that let me warm my hands in your fire. Great January nodded. January allowed her to make her hands warm and asked her again, why have you come again? And what are you looking for here? Again January asked to her that, why you came and what do you want now? Now she is telling, see, I am looking for strawberries. My sister Helena and my stepmother bade me bring me some strawberries. See, now she is telling this my sister and my stepmother, they have bade me and they have told me to bring some strawberries from the forest. And if I don't take them strawberries, they will kill me. Tell me, fathers, tell me, please, where I can find them. And she is requesting to the father, Miss January, please tell me where will I get strawberries, even here is too much cold. Great January arose. He went over the month of sitting opposite to him. It was June. See, opposite to him it was June. Opposite to January is the June. Yes, and he has went to him. Yes, and he handed the club to him. And January has handed the club to whom? uh, June, saying, brother, take the high seat. And January is telling to June, take the high seat. Why is it so, dear student? In the January, we can get the strawberries in that country. Yes, not here. June took the high seat upon the stone and swept the club over the fire. What June has taken? June took the high seat, yes, and swept the club over the fire. The fire shot up and its heat melted the snow in a moment. See, it has taken the club on the fire. Because of fire, the snow, the ice, it started melting. The ground was all green. The trees were covered with leaves. Now see, now ground it was very much green. All the trees, they got the leaves. The birds began to sing, and in the June we know that the birds sings, and the forest was filled with all kinds of flowers, and all the flowers, came in the forest. All the forest was covered with all different kinds of flowers. It was summer, and in June there is the summer, and in summer season we are getting the strawberries. The ground under the bushes was covered with white starlets. The starry blossoms were turning into strawberries every minute. Now here they have given the imagination. The ground under the bushes, see, you may have seen the tree of the plant of the strawberry. Yes, it is it is under the plant. Yes, was covered with white starlets. The flowers are white and the starry blossoms were turning into strawberries every minute. and these blossoms, they were turning into strawberries for every minute. They ripened at once, and at once they have ripened before they were raw. Yes, and these strawberries, they have ripened at once, and before Moricula had time to think, there were so many of them that it looked as thought a red carpet had been spread on the ground. And these all the strawberries, how are they looking, dear students? That strawberries, they are spread on the ground like the carpet is spreaded on the ground. It was looking. Pick them at once, Moricula commanded June. And what June commanded to Moricula? Pick these all the strawberries at once. Understood? See here, you can see the picture of Moricula. See how does it looking? These all the strawberries looks like they are under the bushes, and it is looking the carpet is spreaded on the ground. Dear student, up to here we have finished this. Yes or no? See, Moricula picked them joyfully till she had filled her apron full, and she had one apron with her. With the full apron, she has taken the strawberries. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scampered merrily home. With joy, she has went home, and with the full of apron, she had taken strawberries. Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Moricula bringing the strawberries. Her apron was full of them, and the Helena and stepmother, they were very much surprised to see that the Moricula, she has brought the strawberries full of her apron. Where did you pick them? Asked Helena softly. Even with the surprise, Helena asked, from where did you get those strawberries? Now she is telling, there are plenty of them growing in the forest on the high mountains. And she replied, in the high mountain there are plenty of them growing in the forest. So many strawberries are there. Helena took all the strawberries and ate them all up with her mother, and Helena and her mother, they have ate the strawberries, even they have not given single strawberry to Moricula. On the third day, Helena ordered Moricula, go into the forest and get me some red apples. Now, see, Moricula, she was bringing everything for her sister, and her sister's demand was increasing. See, before she told to bring violets, after she told to bring the strawberries, now her demand is that she should bring the red apples to her. And see, even they have not given chance to speak her. Directly the stepmother, she caught hold of Moricula, and without giving her a chance to speak, she has pushed her out of the door and shut the door. Moricula went to the forest again, weeping bitterly. Even now she is feeling very cold, but she didn't wonder about this time. Now she was having 2 times experience with her. She ran straight to these 12 months. And this she straightly to whom she has gone? To the top mountain, there where a big fire was burning, and 12 months were sitting around the fire. And directly she went to these 12 months. Please, kind sir, help me. Great January nodded and asked her, what are you looking for today? Now January was also familiar with this, and directly January asked, for what have you come today? Yes. Now she is telling, okay, see, please kind sir, help me. From that we will stop it here. The next part we will continue in the third video. To get third video, the link is given in the description box. Please, dear students, see it. Thank you.